Texas, a land of vast skies, sprawling ranches, and a rich, often untold history. Dotting this immense landscape are silent sentinels standing tall against the horizon, the Texas Lookout Towers. More than just rustic structures, these towers are remnants of a bygone era, deeply intertwined with the story of conservation and the fight against wildfires in the Lone Star State. In the early 20th century, East Texas had devastating wildfires, fueled by dry conditions and a growing timber industry. Recognizing the urgent need for early detection, the state, often in collaboration with federal agencies like the Civilian Conservation Corps, or CCC, began constructing these vital observation posts. Built primarily in the 1930s and 1940s, many of these towers were a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the CCC enrollees. From these elevated perches, keen-eyed observers, often called towermen, would scan the horizon for the telltale wisp of smoke. Equipped with alidades and detailed maps, they could pinpoint a fire's location with remarkable accuracy, quickly relaying the information to ground crews. This rapid response was crucial in containing blazes before they spiraled out of control. While many of these towers have fallen into disuse or disrepair, with the advent of modern aerial surveillance and technology, their legacy endures. Some have been lovingly restored by passionate volunteers, serving as historical landmarks and offering breathtaking panoramic views. They remind us of a time when human vigilance and simple, sturdy structures were at the forefront of protecting our natural resources. The Texas Lookout Towers are more than just steel and wood. They are symbols of resilience, dedication, and the enduring spirit of conservation that continues to shape the future of Texas wildlands. So the next time you see one, remember the stories that they could tell. Hey y'all, we're here today at a very significant place. This is one of what was 142 watchtowers here in East Texas to obviously watch for fires. And there's only 20 remaining in Texas, and this is one of them. So it is very significant. It's here at the Forestry Service, the Texas A&M out in Woodville, Texas. And behind me, as you can see, what is left of this beautiful, significant tower. This is absolutely amazing to be able to still see this tower here today, what was built by the CCC in the 1930s. So thank you, CCC, for all you did for America. Thank you so much. You were very, very significant to us. Just take a moment to enjoy this beautiful glimpse of history here. Absolutely beautiful.